Hey everyone, in today's video we'll go over how to add this little Discord overlay to Among Us. So what you want to do is you want to head over to Discord itself and you want to go to your user settings. Then you want to scroll down to registered games and you'll see Among Us that's popped up here. You want to make sure that toggle overlay is on and that there's no cross like this would be right here. Once this is set like this, you can just press escape, and after a couple of seconds, Discord will display a go live button, which you can do to either go live and then stream Among Us, and it'll pop up that I'm live. And while you're in the game, you'll be able to see your friends in the pop-ups over here. And as you can see, it's picking up my mic. But since I have a toggle mute button, I can just click it and then it'll mute my mic right there. So as you can see, it mutes my mic, but for you guys, you may not have a keybind. So what you want to do is you want to head back to user settings and then you want to open keybinds so that you can create a keybind for toggling mute. I have one set to F6, but you can set it to whatever you like. Now that you're all set up, you can play Among Us using your Discord overlay. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.